AI Store Fortune, revolutionary e-commerce solution for smart AI profits. Launch your own profitable AI store instantly with our done-for-you solution. Skip the complicated AI setups and jump straight into your own platform, loaded with hundreds of custom GPTs and 10,000s of AI prompts, ready to sell to online creators and local businesses. And no design work, black small square. And no product creation, black small square. Just smart way to profit with AI. Important features of AI Store Fortune. Launch a professional GPT and AI prompt store in minutes without any tech skills. Ready to sell GPT bundles. Designed for marketers, entrepreneurs, and local business owners. Easily add more products to grow your catalog. Compatible with PLR AI prompts and GPT products. Manage a digital store with no shipping, no inventory, and no overhead. Fully built on WordPress with a simple import system. Pre-written website copy for all pages and products. DFY blog with preloaded articles to boost SEO and authority. Customer account system lets buyers track their purchases and access with ease. Beautiful, professional, clean store design tailored for the AI niche. Step-by-step training and marketing materials to help you succeed. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee for your complete peace of mind. Dear friend, if you want to buy or want to know more about, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. 3 simple steps to smart AI profits with AI Store Fortune. Step 1. Install your ready-made AI store in minutes with just a few clicks. You'll have a complete, beautifully designed WordPress store preloaded with hundreds GPTs and 10,000s AI prompts. No design or tech skills needed. Everything is included and ready to launch right out of the box. Step 2. Connect your payment method and start selling. Simply add your preferred payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe through the built-in WooCommerce system. Your store will be ready to accept payments securely, so you can start making sales from day one. Step 3. Promote your store and watch it grow. Use the included promotional materials and training to start driving traffic. Whether you're sharing with your existing audience or marketing to new customers, your store is built to convert and grow. So dear friend, if you want to buy or want to know more about, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.